coast. Let's go. There we go. Gaugemaster probably next. Morning to you. It's Al in the van. It's Tuesday the 4th and I've made it as far as West Sussex. I'm here in a little village called Ford, not a stone's throw from Arundel. I've come here for a reason, but found a really nice place to pirate camp, and it's been such a quiet, peaceful night. I didn't get up until 9:30, so I am running a bit late, so let's go and see what we can find and I'll show you where I parked. Perfect. Well, this is my venue for last night. Absolutely perfect and quiet here. That's the new road and this is the old road, and it just comes to a dead end where the van is, so perfect. It's the village of Ford and I'll show you why we're here, but I'm just going to go and have a... Right, come on darling. Good girl. So look what we found. I believe it's a hunter. It's marked up for the Royal Navy, so I gather this is the airfield of Ford. Can't see any sign of it, so let's go and take a few pictures. I always feel it's a shame to see them just stuck on a post like that, because this is a real aircraft. This isn't a gate garden, this is a real aircraft. And lovely too, she is. This is the real reason for coming here today, because it's the home of Gaugemaster. I might have to buy myself a little present, like you do. I'm not sure if I'm going to park there. Alright. Ford railway station. There we are, Gaugemaster, which powers half of my layout. So let's go and have a look, see what we can find. If you're ever in this neck of the woods, do come and have a look. Wow, I do like these Syncraft. Is this Syncraft? Yeah, Syncraft. And others, of course. I'm looking for a chuck wagon for my other car park up on the hill, on the West Hill, but I think I found one. You name it, it's here. Told myself I'm not allowed to buy a loco because I still need lots of
terrible coincidence, isn't it?
lots of diesel on my trip, so I must not buy a loco. Oh, dapper. No, Alan, you're not allowed. No, no, no. Oh, and dapper was doing the old Airfix kits which I've already built in the past. Yes. Sorry about the glass reflection. Look at that. Oh, DAFs, Scanias and Volvos. Knock. Look at the difference in scales. I think it's maybe, I think that's N. What is that? Look at the size of that. Continental stuff. And this is LGB. Not a name I know. Pico. Pico. It's like German and Austrian stuff. Roco. I'm sure Clive would be interested in some of this. Roco. Walters. Fowler. Cato. So many different brands that I don't know. Knock again. Quite a few small layouts around the place. There we go. That's what I'll have for my other lay-by. Oxford, Bedford ice cream van. Excellent. Look at that. From my era. That 141. 113M. 360 horses. Yeah, from my era. Oops. The electrics corner. Scenics. Look at those trees. Scatters. Well, that was Gaugemaster. I've met Tracy, their social media person, so I've made a link with them. Alright, onwards we go. Bye bye, Gaugemaster. Alright, moving on down the road towards Portsmouth, here we come. Pulborough, oh wow, I didn't realise that's where we were. Alright, pick this up in a minute. From level 1 of the Spinnaker Tower. Frigate just come in. Here's a look down the Spinnaker. I think we're at 100 metres here. About the best view I can get of the Spinnaker. First floor is 100 metres up. And I think there are two 25s on top of that, or two 10 metres on top of that. Not as high as I thought. A nice cannon here. I gather there's a small boating pond. And the poor old crane. Possibly once hard-working military crane, now just an ornament. Well, that's Wednesday. On we go. When I arrived here last night, there was nobody here. Now it's packed with cars and dog walkers. So I'm making my way across Dorset on a little tiny B road. So here we go. These are what I call driver's roads. They're rough, unsteady for the van, but always a joy to drive. There's corners, hills, things to negotiate. Yeah, definitely a driver's road. Ah, well, I've arrived at a place called Knowlton Stones and Church. It's a henge, medieval henge with a 10th or 11th century church plonked right in the middle of it. Not everybody's cup of tea, but what a beautiful area. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, that was a very, very peaceful hour. Taking the whole world in. Ah, welcome to Dorset. Vanity and I, we've seen some lovely places in 17 years. This is Cranbourne Chase. There's earthworks on top of the hill here. Look at this. Look at this, mind the wind noise. I can see for miles and miles and miles. Ah, what do you make of that? Wow. This is the 3081, B3081. Wonderful. Right, moving on towards Shaftesbury and Shepton Mallet. That's where today's story ends. The East Somerset Railway. Well, thanks for watching, thanks for everybody's support, and I'll pick it up from here tomorrow and go for a ride on the East Somerset Railway. Alan out. Oh, sorry, that was a rather bitty video, wasn't it? But it's hard to be on the move and filming sections of film as well. But I hope you get the idea. As stated, the tomorrow's video is quite a good one actually, because I've just done it. It's the East Somerset Railway. It's not a very long line, only 5 miles long, with 2 small halts that they've put in. But some nice bits and bobs to see. So all that leaves me to say is Alan out. Thanks for your support, thanks for following along, and see where we get up to tomorrow. I think we're going to go into Bristol tomorrow, hopefully on a park and ride and a walk across the Clifton Bridge, which will be my 4th, I think, time I've done it. So Alan out, take care, keep smiling, bye.